the damn button at, man? Can't see you. Still can't see you. Not enough light. Our bouncy piece of shit U-Haul. I'll never rent one again. Freaking boat smoother riding this piece of crap. I can see your phone, I can't see you.
Oh, that sucks.
Squeaky bang bang boom friggin' crap. Welcome back to, and then I had to go get it in Brunswick. Can't see me, can you? Good, no. I look like haven't shaved in 3 fucking days.
My window's spinning like crazy.
I know, it sounds like it's got square tires on it. I gotta get a little memorable video for us of this. Welcome to Brunswick. Hey. Smells like weed and I see motorcycles, huh? Oh yeah. Hope all the noise shows up on this damn video.
Yeah.
McDonald's. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today. Hey, now I can see you. A little bit. I see your hat. Many people videotape themselves driving a damn piece of shit U-Haul. I'll never rent from them again. Yippee-ki-yay, mother. Ah, you got it. Bye.